how to make a presentation using AI, like this. Let's get started. Search for ChatGPT in your browser. Click on the first link. Let's take you to the ChatGPT page. Now, we'll ask for help from ChatGPT to create a presentation. I've decided to make a presentation on the benefits of AI. So I enter, "Help me create a presentation on the benefits of AI." Press Enter. Now, you'll easily get results for creating a presentation. We'll make it using this result. First, copy the text you want. Open a new tab, search for Microsoft 365 login in your browser. Click on the first link at the top. Go to the document. Click Document here. Paste the selected text. Once you successfully paste the text, export the presentation format. Go to the File, click Export. Select Export to PowerPoint Presentation. Now, choose a theme, select one, and click Export. You'll see your presentation file exporting. Yes, successfully exported the presentation. Click Open Presentation. Now, we've got a presentation successfully, and you can easily edit the text. If you want to download your own copy or a PDF file, it's easy. Go to File, click Save As. Select Download a copy. Yes, we successfully downloaded the file easily. That's it, guys. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.